Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but your girl took a brief break. I went on a little trip, and as always, time just caught up with me. But today I'm finally back with a fall haul slash fall favorites, the things I have been loving entering into this fall season. So I thought I'd share a few of those items with you. I'm calling this a haul because all of these products are new, but some of them I have been using for a while now. But over the course of the few weeks since I've purchased them, I have been loving them. So I thought I'd share those products also and call it a little fall favorites. Okay, as you can see, I got the fall background going on. The pumpkin. Is it 80 degrees outside right now in Louisiana? Yes. In my mind, I'm here. Okay, it's fall already. As you can see, I have on this nice little burgundy dress. This is actually one of my fall favorites already. I picked up this dress a while back, actually from Loft. I am loving burgundy. As you guys know, probably if you know the trends of the season, burgundy is going to be very popular this year, and I'm usually not someone who likes to be on trend, but I'm loving the color burgundy. So I have a lot of different categories. Let's go ahead and start with food. I love trying new things and I love cooking at home from scratch. That being said, I'm literally always in the grocery store looking around, shopping, and seeing what's new. And here are some of the things that I picked up recently. First things first is this Antioxidant Solutions Sleep Dreams 100% tart cherry juice. I'm pretty sure I've shared tart cherry juice on my channel before. It is like a natural sleep aid. Something about tart cherries in itself helps the body relax and go to sleep, but this one is like a sleep dreams edition with added zinc and magnesium, and let me just say, honey, it works. For the cozy season, a little sleepy girl cocktail. I don't know if you've seen videos like that on Instagram and TikTok, but they like mix this with a nice little soda or something like that. I sometimes drink it straight, maybe add in a little agave, or sometimes I'll mix it with cranberry juice or something. It is called tart cherry juice for a reason, but this stuff actually works. I get this from a local health food store for like $6.39. If you're someone who struggles to fall asleep, or you're someone who has kids and it likes to keep you up and you want to be able to go back to sleep easily, get you some of this. It will help to relax you and just bring you into a deeper sleep. It won't always keep you asleep, but it does the job, especially if you don't want to take melatonin all the time. You can just drink some of this. So I have been loving that this fall, okay, already. Next up, I have something else that I have shown on this channel numerous times, and it is my sea moss. I buy this from a local family who makes it themselves, and this is just the original. I actually picked this up yesterday, but sea moss helps with allergies. As you can hear right now, I'm kind of congested because I haven't had this in about 3 weeks. I literally just take a teaspoon a day, sometimes every other day, put it in my tea, smoothie. Sometimes I even take it by mouth with a little bit of honey on the spoon. It literally tastes like nothing, but sometimes the consistency is like a jello consistency almost, can throw you off. So I just like to add a little honey or agave to it, and it does what it needs to do. A few of the benefits is joint and tissue health. It improves digestion. It assists with allergies, which is what I use it for. It treats acid reflux, boosts the immune system, increases energy, helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol, thyroid health, and weight loss. Sinus and allergies is something I've struggled with literally my whole life. Living in the South, there's so much pollen in the air, and then I live under a pecan tree, so that comes with its own set of allergies and struggles in itself. But one thing that has majorly helped me is sea moss, and I love it because I don't want to have to rely on different allergy medicines and Zyrtec and this and that. No, I would rather just take natural things that's going to help me get rid of the mucus, stop the sneezing, stop the stuffy nose. Next up, I have some honey. Now this honey I actually purchased from Buc-ee's. Actually, I just did a recent trip to the new Buc-ee's that's in Mississippi, and I purchased this honey. This is actually my second time getting this honey right here, but it's my first time getting the hot honey. So these are the Lone Star Bee Company honey, gluten-free, made in Texas. This one is the Tuscan Blue Rosemary and Pepper honey. I've had this one before and I absolutely loved it. So once I was in Buc-ee's, I was like, let me get another one. And then this one right here is the Fiery Sweet Mesquite honey. So this one is infused with jalapeno and habanero, and honey, it does have a little kick to it. I love it. So I love that this is made in Texas. It's not like a huge big company. It only has 60 calories, 17 grams of sugar, simple ingredients. I absolutely love these honeys to add to my food. I have been on a major salad kick. If I had a bowl of salad right here to show you guys as a part of my favorites, I would definitely do that, because your girl has been loving salads. That's how you know like my frontal lobe is beginning to develop at 25, because I have been in my salad era. As I'm finding what type of salads I love, I have been making my own dressing, because I do not like store-bought dressing. I love that I've been able to find some infused honeys, so I can just add my different spices, add some olive oil, some vinegar, and make a nice little salad dressing. So that's what those are for. I'm so excited about these. I think they were like maybe $10 a piece, but it's definitely worth it. If you're anywhere near a Buc-ee's, or maybe you could just order these online, I would definitely suggest you pick these up. Okay, last but not least, in the food section, I have these new McCormick finishing sugars. Now I know that these are not the healthiest, but I'm definitely using these in small increments. Please excuse if you hear a baby in the background. There's a baby in the background, so she's gonna be making a little bit of noise. They have a whole little line like pumpkin spice and a few other ones, but right here I picked up the salted caramel, which is my favorite, and the maple brown sugar, not my favorite but also good. I'm gonna be using these in teeny small amounts. It's probably gonna last me the whole fall and winter season. I think I want to use some of this for my snickerdoodles I make today. Okay, so next up, let's move on to hair. These are just some things that I picked up recently. Next up, by the Do, I finally got my hands on the Bananas Extreme Gel. I have been wanting to try this for such a long time, but I didn't want to get it from a beauty supply store that's not a reputable dealer. So I was out of town recently and I found it in their Walmart, so I definitely had to pick it up. It has not been in any of my local Walmarts, so thank God I found it at their Walmart. I used it on my mom's hair, and so far we have been liking it. I haven't used it on my hair yet, so when I do, I'll be sure to film it. I have been back on my hair oiling journey. Okay, my scalp has been kind of acting up, and I've been wanting to find an oil that is truly moisturizing, and the things that I've been using in the store have not really been cutting it. So since your girl is into making her own things, clean ingredients, I have been going to my health food store and peeping out what oils they have, comparing it to the research I've been doing on what oils are actually nourishing and hydrating for the scalp. So I've picked up a few. I haven't mixed up anything yet, but I thought I'd share with you what I have picked up. I have picked up just regular clear castor oil, not black castor oil, not Jamaican black castor oil yet. I just want to go back and try the regular castor oil. I've used Jamaican black castor oil in the past. It's a really heavy oil, so I want to try something more lightweight first that I can use when my hair is straight and curly. So I went ahead and got this one. This is the Now Solutions brand. So this is going to be kind of like our base oil in our little oil mixture. I picked this up and it was $5. And then next up, I picked up jojoba oil. I know a lot of people like this oil and grapeseed oil when it comes to natural hair. I didn't pick up grapeseed, but I don't want to overcomplicate it to start out. I'm going to start off pretty simple. So I just picked up the jojoba. This was actually $13, a little bit more pricey. I picked up some 100% pure rosemary oil. You guys know rosemary is also good for hair growth and scalp stimulation, so I'm definitely going to be adding in a little bit of this, not too much. This one was $9. I also picked up 2 of these little droppers. They are glass, one for me, one for my mom. So next up, let's move on to body and skincare. You guys have known over the course of the past few months, I have been dealing with some skincare issues. Hormones was acting up, all type of crazy stuff that I've never dealt with before. So your girl had to do some new and different things, and I don't want to like claim what's helped me yet, because I'm still on the journey of re-clearing up my skin. Right now it's looking really good. Right now I'm in the process of fading acne scars, but one thing I do believe that has helped me is this little scrubby right here. It came in a 2-pack from Walmart. It is silicone, but I've kind of like veered away from using face towels all the time, even though I was never someone who reused a lot of towels. I used a towel one time and then it would go in the laundry. I wanted something that was going to be like a gentle exfoliant, and I can say this little thing has been a major help. So it's like a good deep clean and exfoliant all at the same time. I have been loving this. Your girl finally picked up the Amika Aura hair and body mist. I low-key forgot this was a hair mist. I have not used this on my hair yet, but I have been using it it as a body mist, and I absolutely love the smells. I went and picked it up when Amika was on sale recently. Shout out to Salon Centric. They always run really good sales, so I knew I was going to be able to get it. I also picked up the hand soap, just being extra. I had a little bit of extra money, so I'm like, let me pick up the hand soap. It's 13.5 fluid ounces. It lathers really well. Like, you don't even need a whole pump. I tell people use a half a pump when you go in my bathroom, okay? This is actually not in the shop. I'm using it in the house, but it smells just as good as the perfume. It lathers really well and gives a really good deep clean. Is it expensive for a hand soap? Yes, but it's a good smelling hand soap. It's clean, it's vegan. I have been liking it in my bathroom so far. So I have recently picked up a new book, and my recent pickup is God Chose Me by Charles Metcalf. I have been watching Transformation Church since 2018. There's a lot of pastors at that church, but he's one of them. He's one of my favorites. So I think reading a book called God Chose Me is going to help guide me in the right area of trusting in God that he has it already worked out. I've been getting into my Bible heavy, and I always like to pair the Bible with some type of other book. I've recently just finished finally my Priscilla Shire I Surrender All, and it just blew my mind. Absolutely loved that book. I've shown it so many times because it took me so long to get through it. But one thing I will say, don't just rush through inspirational and Christian books. If you are trying to read a book and you can't get through it, put it down, because that just means it's not for you in that season. I've had this book, The I Surrender All by Priscilla Shire, since the 1st of January, and I was like, okay, I can't get through it. It was because I didn't need it until now. Certain books you need for different seasons of your life. I didn't need it in January. I wasn't desperate enough in January. I needed to surrender all and get a greater understanding of what it feels like to need God for everything for your daily life. I loved it. So I'm gonna hop into this book, but I'm not rushing it. Okay, so I'm not gonna try to read this in a month. It might not be finished until next year, but I want to get something from this. I'm going to be giving you guys updates on this as I read. And last but not least, we're going to talk about fashion. Some things that I have picked up recently. Your girl hasn't had a new hat in a very long time. Here it says made new. I purchased this from a local Christian shop, and I was at a little Christmas market and she was there as one of the vendors, and I purchased this hat. Me and my mom literally purchased the exact same hat, and it's just so cute. I love it. It reminds me of a vintage old sofa, but I love the words on it. I know she's coming out with a new collection soon, so I'm going to try to get one that's a little bit more neutral. I'm very excited about it. I have been loving this hat. It's like a trucker hat, but a little bit less trucker. Sometimes trucker hats are way too high. It's too much. So the last things in this haul are actually some sweaters. I have been really going through my closet, getting rid of things that I've had literally since I was 16. This one right here is like a cardigan lightweight sweater. I'll definitely be wearing it as a shirt. I picked it up at TJ Maxx, somewhere I don't shop often because it's kind of like treasure hunting, but it was $20. I love that it's not a super busy pattern. It's pretty simple, black and white stripes. It has the little gold buttons. Love that. And I like it. I like that it's not a traditional vest, and it has the sleeves that come down pretty far. It is Louisiana, so I don't really need a ton of thick sweaters, but I definitely did not have enough thick sweaters. Next up, I got this very nice weight. It's not too heavy, but it feels very good on the body because it is 100% cotton. Gap sweater is in this beautiful green color, emerald hunter green, which is one of my favorites for this fall winter season. I got this from Sam's, one of my favorite places to shop, along with Costco, for $13. It was on sale. It is long sleeves, and I absolutely love it. I love Gap because they are 100% cotton. Love that. Love this green color. And last but not least, I picked up another green sweater. This one is short sleeve, and it's Tommy Hilfiger. I got this from TJ Maxx for $20. It has the little ribbed neckline and ribbed cuff on the short sleeve. Absolutely love it. This fall I'm definitely going for a preppy girl vibe, so those items will definitely fit in really well with that theme. I'm loving the fall vibes already. I love where my fashion and clothes are going. Those are pieces of clothes I see myself having for a very long time, as long as I can take care of them. So I hope you all enjoyed this little fall favorites fall haul video. Some things to catch you up on. I did finish the bear for my friend's baby. Here's the bear right here. Love it. She loved it. So cute. It was really easy to do. More information on that coming soon. I have been working on my crochet squares. I definitely took a break, but I think I just got tired of doing the same thing over and over again, and I just made a dress in a day for my friend's birthday dinner. It was formal. I needed something that was either black or white, and I had an old shower curtain, so your girl created this dress right here. I have really been enjoying creating new and different things, so I'll definitely keep you guys in the loop on that in the future. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know, have you used any of these products already this fall season, or do you plan to try anything out that I've shown you in this video? I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.